Dagwaagong, nigii-mansisemin, aabajitooyaang, biboong. Dagwaagong, nigii-mansisemin, aabajitooyaang, biboong. So for us to use it in the winter time, we gathered firewood. That first part is Dagwaagong, meaning last fall. Dagwaagong means it is fall. But when you're changing it to last fall, that ONG suffix goes under to denote that it's past tense. And then nigii-mansisemin, that's animate intransitive, the gi meaning past tense, the and the min meaning name, first person plural exclusive. Talking about you and a group of people, not including who you're talking to. And then we means like you're with the intention of doing something. Aabajitooyaang is the root word there. Aabajitooyaang is the inflection for and subjunctive, transitive inanimate, because firewood is inanimate. So that's the inanimate object that you're using. Biboong. Biboong means it is winter. But if you say biboong, it means in the winter or when it's winter. So all those parts of language as a second language learner you have to know to understand the construction of our language, to appreciate the complexity, but also to gain more fluency by reading. And we have a lot of tools like this, but we need more open transmission of it. And the reason why I chose this sentence because I have that memory as a child on Rolling River Reserve with my late grandma Agnes Capo and her partner late Herman McKay, where I was putting wood into the iron stove at night because we didn't have heating like city people did in the 70s. We didn't even have waterworks on the reserve in all our houses. So we had to, firewood was a necessity to survive the winter inside the houses. Of course, it's always been a necessity for us living in this cold climate. But anyway, so that's why I'm just doing these videos to try to help second language learners. You know, and that's all I have to say. Hamsa.